as Limesh sir mentioned, we are using it from 2015, 2016, end of 2015. That was a time when we were looking for getting ISO 20,000 certified. And one of the prerequisites for that is the compliant software. ISO 20K compliant or ITIL compliant application for managing your tickets, managing contracts, managing assets, managing escalations, managing vendors. So the alternative in front of was either to look for a ready application which is compliant, certified, or to develop an application which meets all the requirements specified by ISO. So, and by then we were using our own homegrown application, and उसमें अगर customization करने जाते तो काफ़ी time लग जाता. So we thought we will get some software which can be evolved into what we are looking for. और तभी हम लिमेश सर के साथ टच में आ गए. उन्होंने readiness बताया कि we will develop all that what is required for meeting ISO requirements. तभी हमने ये एक्सरसाइज शुरू किया था. And we got, I think, our first certification was in August, somewhere in August 2016. By then, all the required, basic minimum required चीज़ें implement हो गई थी. And of course, that was to be drilled on further into more nitty-gritties. We went on evolving or developing then, and that time we were using Synapse on-premise, or now we have moved onto the cloud model. We did not start using sales CRM module in 2016. We were having some other solutions in place, and that is how it was not our focus area by then. But then our requirements went on changing, went on evolving as the business kept on growing, as the homegrown applications or services went on evolving, and our requirements were changing rapidly. We tried 2 more applications in between, and finally we started using, we went in for Sangam Sales CRM, and we had a lot of requirements, a lot of customization. But believe me, we started using Sangam CRM sales module for last 2 years. Whatever we wanted, whatever our new requirements, they have a very, very capable development team. They are very responsive, very prompt, very quick. We have a lot of our own reporting requirements that we have taken care of. But this application is adaptable, scalable, customizable, and it is supported by a very, very efficient team. So I congratulate NJ team, congratulate NJ team for completing 25 years, congratulating on your new office premise. Keep rocking. We have a lot of requirements on interactive dashboards, so that what is available on the platform as a sales database or sales application, our requirements were even beyond that. Like, we have categorized all our offerings into 5 verticals, that is infrastructure, security, mobility, analytics, and cloud, and then services, 6 verticals. So which sales individual is having what opportunity sizing, what clientele in particular of this vertical, when are the expected closures, what are the OEM opportunities, what are the OEM stage-wise opportunities. That is what we all wanted to have, and we have used Power BI in order to achieve those kind of dashboards. Now we are going beyond a bit and integrating that with my HRMS also, with my Navision as a ERP also, and we are trying to create a 360-degree view for a particular customer, or for a particular salesperson, or for a particular industry vertical. What kind of opportunities I have, at what stages they are, what kind of a business we have done with this customer in past, what kind of closure cycles are there in that environment, what are the commercial outstandings, and all those things we are trying to create on one single pane, and we are using Power BI for that. But any other application can be adopted for. We adopted Power BI considering that we are Microsoft partners, and the kind of familiarity with Microsoft tools kind of has given us that is the reason why we have picked up Power BI. For services module, as I said, that time it was not that ready for, so we took a longer time. But when it came to sales CRM, when we adopted everything as it was and then we went on evolving our requirements, it did not take more than 2 months. From making my, that 2 months comprises of making my requirements specifications till we started creating our data. We have about 32 users, apart from the management users. The 32 comprises of my sales and my pre-sales. Support, in that we have about 20 users. So 32 are sales CRM users and 15-16 are my support users. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.